increasing seller limits. So this is a limit that each eBay account has to restrict the amount of items they can list and sell. So you start off, each account is different, but you start off, if I can recall, with $1,000 in value or 100 quantity. This is kind of small, especially for the 40 insertion listings that you have. So I'm going to teach you how to upgrade it and get it pushed up every month, especially to the maximum. And there's a huge script that I follow every single time I do this. So first of all, to contact them, you want to do a live chat. Do not call them. Do not email them. For me, live chat is the best, and it's my favorite way of doing it, especially now because of the coronavirus. You can't really call. So you just want to click chat with us, account, and then seller, levels, and performance standards. Now, I'm not signed in right now, so you just want to sign in. And you're going to press the start chat button. Now, I can't list my... I can't raise my limits right now because I've already raised it, so I can't show you in pretty much live. So what you're going to write in like the little preview first message window is, hello, I am looking to increase my eBay selling limits. I am an e-commerce store owner who is looking to buy the anchor package, even if you don't have the anchor package. And for those who don't know, the anchor package is the max $500 a month eBay store. So you're just going to pretend that you are. They can't charge you for it, so don't think they can or anything. You're just going to tell them I'm looking to buy it and list my inventory. I would like to see if I can get it increased beforehand to make sure it can to make sure I can list my items. So you're gonna send that script. They're gonna be like, okay, yep, we'll look into this for you. 5 minutes later, they'll come back and be like, sure, what products are you selling and how much are they? So you're just gonna make up some crap. If they ask for your website as well, just take a random website of Google, take some random Shopify store. You'd be like, I'm selling something high-end, electronics, Lemon Electronics store. So you'd be like, I am selling electronics. So yeah, so here you're just gonna await their response. Sorry for that phone vibration. So you're like, I'm selling electronics. I have about 1,000 to sell. You, especially on your first time, you don't want to go too high. 1,000 even might be pushing it, especially because it is your first limit. And on your first one, they'll even tell you sometimes they don't want to put you too high just because it's for eBay fraud detection. So you might have to wait a little bit before you push really, really hard. I know I only got to 3,000 items. I went from 500 to 3,000, but that was about my 4th month in, so it did take me a while. So I have 3,000 items to list at roughly $100 per item. So that's going to bump your thing up to hopefully 1,000 items and $100,000 value. That's a huge limit increase. And every time you want to do this, so you can only do this once a month, and every month you want to increase this. So next month you'd be like, I have 3,000 items to list at, you can even just still do 100. So what you want to do is just bump your quantity and bump your value up every single time. They'll be like, sure, I'll check with my manager. Check this for you. They always send some sort of templated response, and they'll be like, okay, done. Please check back in 24 hours. And it's literally that simple. That's the script. It's such a simple script, and you will get your limits increased literally in 5 to 10 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.